Hmm. A box with blue tape on it. I wonder whatever this could be. Well, it's been a long time coming, and I thought I'd bring y'all along for the unboxing. Let's see if we can get this open. Trying to get this pocket knife open with one hand reminds me of a joke. Three old men sitting around one day, and one of them asked the other two, said, "What is the worst sound y'all have ever heard in your life?" They said, "Bob, how about you?" He goes, "Well, I was at the train station one day, and look, I did it." He goes, "I was at the train station one day, and he goes, these two passenger train collided head on. Oh my gosh, there's explosions, fire, screams, train screeching. Oh, it was so horrible. I still have nightmares about that." I said, "Well, Bill, how about you?" He goes, "Well, I was downtown once and this building caught fire and people were screaming and jumping out the windows and the fire trucks coming, and oh, it was horrible, I tell you." So they said, "Okay, Clem, how about you? You brought it up. What's the worst sound you ever heard?" He goes, "Well, I was sleeping with this man's wife one time. He was a ex-lineman for the Pittsburgh Steelers. And then we became a traveling salesman. But we were together one night, and he came home a day early and caught me. And man, he goes, I run toward the window. I was fixing to jump out the window. He caught me, slammed me up against the wall with his, had me by the throat. He goes, 'Hey, I'm gonna cut your junk off, man.' And he reached in his pocket, got a pocket knife. He goes, the worst sound I ever heard was his teeth clicking on that pocket knife, trying to get a blade open." Okay, let's see what we got here. Long time coming. Oh, I should use my tripod, but oh, this is gonna give it away. Yep. Okay, well, maybe I will have to get the tripod. One of those things where I gotta have. A box inside of a box. Oh. Keep this box. Turns cannot be accepted without this box. Okay. I don't know if y'all get that. I hope you are. So if you get one of these, keep the box, it says, because it can't be returned without it. What's in this box? Oh. Things are not light. See, kind of sealed up in a bag. Look at there. That is a Blue Eddy AC 180 power station. This is the solar system I have been waiting for. This is the solar system for my off-grid cabin that I finally decided on. And no, I should have said this at the beginning. This is not sponsored. They didn't give me this. They didn't give me a discount on this. I paid I paid more than full freaking price for this. Oh, this is a wireless charging. Guys, you're seeing this first time I'm seeing. I don't know what all this is. Obviously my plugins, no 220, which I knew that. 12 volt DC output there, DC input. From what I understand, you can charge this from your car. You can charge it from a standard wall outlet, or you can charge it solar. I did buy 2 of their solar panels. Yes, I know I could have got regular solar panels a lot cheaper, but I planned on this probably going with me. In fact, I know it will go with me many times. So this is what it comes with in this box. That would be probably the 12 volt charger, the wall charger for the solar panels. Their solar panels are 120 watts each. I got 240 watt of charging. Let me go get the solar panels and we'll unbox those. Let's see what the solar panels look like. Oh, it missed it. But all this, okay, so y'all gonna want the specs. There's your specs. I hope you're getting it. Do you speak Chinese? Is that the specs? Yeah, that's the specs. Assume this is a handle. There we go. Why don't I just leave my pocket now opened and out? Well, as Jed Clampett would say, well, doggies. I guess they come in a case. Again, permanently attached in here, the other side. So there's those connectors. Okay. Probably like a, yeah, like a tripod thing. Undo the clips, and there are the solar panels. There are the solar panels. Wow, they just keep opening. I got several of those little kickstand looking things. This is what the solar panels look like. Two of these, they were on sale. I think $2.59 a piece. I gave right at, before I start throwing out numbers here, let me make sure they're right. So, you know, years ago I showed you that I had bought solar components for this cabin. The only thing I hadn't bought really were the panels themselves. I have a solar charge controller. I had an inverter. Had all that. Just didn't get the panels and the hardware. Took it up my battery. I have right now a Walmart marine battery, Series 29, that I've been using for 4 years. Yes, 4 years. You know, I bought it when I had that, maybe 5 years, diesel air heater, because it needed a battery, and that's what I bought. I have it wired, so anytime I turn on the generator, start the generator, there's a trickle charger that goes to it and it charges that battery. Again, you have the internet, the Facebook and YouTube extras. Oh, you can't use a marine battery from Walmart. It won't work if they're off-grid solar. They're just idiots. I had one of them. Well, you could have went and bought one of them Trojan golf cart batteries for that. I got $89 for that. Well, he was half right. You could have, at that time, got a Trojan battery about that size for $89. But what he failed to either tell people, or maybe he was a doofus himself, was that's for a 6-volt battery. So you would have needed 2 of them to make 12 volts. That makes it twice as much as a Walmart battery. Folks, for you people wondering, those Walmart marine batteries will do just fine for solar. People on YouTube are already using them. Well, them ain't gonna last a year. This one's last 4 or 5 years, maybe going on 5 years. I don't know. Is it the most powerful? No, it has lost a lot of its reserve. Also know for a cabin my size, what I had in mind was overkill. 12-month warranty on the panels. This is a booklet in the panels. Frequently asked questions. Is the solar panel waterproof? No, the solar panel is IP65 water resistant that provides protection against water splash. Please do not leave it in the rain or water for a long time. What will affect the final conversion efficiency of solar panels? That would affect a regular solar panel. Weather, sun intensity, shading, panel, blah, blah, blah. Is the Bluetti solar panel compatible with the third-party power station? Yes. Generator's been fantastic. Yeah, I've had little things here, but at 5 years, going almost 5 years old, for a generator that's used almost literally every day, and during the summer, 16 to 18 hours a day. That thing has been phenomenal. Best $450 I ever spent. It's going to take me a while to decipher those cave drawings. Yeah, I've been thinking for a while. Small cabin, do I really need to go all in on a solar system. I'd like something to take with me. So I got to thinking. I got to looking. And I didn't really want to wire such a small cabin. Now I'm thinking about building another cabin this fall. You know, I thought really a cabin this size, 200 square feet, all I need is one of these power stations. Now, this will more than enough handle everything I've got. My TV, my internet router thing, my T-Mobile home internet thing, charging my laptops, charging my cell phones, my lights, my radio, more than enough. I wanted regular outlets. Doggone it, I need to wire it. No, see, this is why I kept going back. I'm not wiring a house. Okay, I'm going to wire it for 12-volt outlets. No, I'm not. It's so small. You know, and now I'm thinking about building another. It just, last couple of years I've been going, this is what the argument in my head has been going. Finally, I decided enough is enough. I'm tired of buying gas every week. This time of year when I'm not running the air conditioner, this will power everything except my air conditioner. This would power my air conditioner for like an hour and a half. So that's not obviously going to run all night long, so that won't work. I'll be running my generator for that. But that battery still, after 5 years, I can charge my phone, I can charge the laptop, my light. I have several battery powered lights. It would do all that. It would take almost all night or all day. If I plugged it in the morning, it'd be ready that in the evening. I need one of these. Okay, which one am I going to get? Well, you know, you got Jackery. You got a whole bunch. Jackery, EcoFlow, Bluetti, and I just started watching. You got a bunch of no-name ones, which I'm not sure. When I was looking at all these, I'm not sure a no-name one is any less of a quality one than a name one like Jackery or something. A lot of these companies have the same size power stations. Basically what these are, they're your solar system all combined in one box. They're your battery, they're your solar chargers, and they're your inverters all in one box. I think it's 1152 watts. So most that I were looking for had a size like this. This is kind of small. I think Jackery has one or two that's even smaller. So I started looking, and these things are $1,000 for this size, which being no $1,000. But I also noticed that a lot of them would run sale. I've seen this one on sale for $650. You know, you get the $350 off coupon. Okay. Regular $9.99. Okay. Well, I said, okay, that's good size for me and take on the road and stuff like that. I go one day, I'm looking at it, put the code in, the code works. $9.99 down to $6.59 or $6.49 or whatever, you know. Okay, well, I wasn't quite ready. I did some more research on several other brands, and I'm looking to see if I can find something a little bit cheaper that's that size. I really couldn't. And so next day was March 1st or something. Apparently that code was only good for February. Because I put the code in, even though the code was still there on that on their site, I put it in that the checkout. It kept wanting to charge me $999. I said, folks, I'm not giving you $1,000 for this thing when it was $650 yesterday. So I started going, well, look, and I've noticed all these companies run sales often, very often. Never pay full price for one of these things. To me, I mean, I'm sure I'm going to love this thing, but I wouldn't love it at $1,000. A day or two later, I kept checking back on their website. Finally, they had some other silly promotion. Again, another $350 off. Brings it down to $649.99 or something like that. Used that code, it worked. So I bought it. I said, okay, I need, you know, at least one solar panel. I think you can use up to 3. Like I said, that box would have held another solar panel, which I don't understand why they put that. I mean, it had the space in there of another one. Nothing, no styrofoam in that, so the box is flopping around. They shipped it FedEx. Okay, if you ever shipped anything by FedEx, you know those guys just destroy the crap out of everything. Luckily, this was packed pretty good and it made the trip that I know of. So anyway, I bought it. It's here. This is my new solar system for the cabin. And until I need to run my air conditioner, I don't see no reason I will need this unless I'm running a table saw or something like that. And I would imagine this would run a table saw for a little while. I mean, I didn't want the smallest one ever. Like I say, Jackery has some small ones. I see them at Walmart. They look maybe the half size of this. Of course, they're 300 watts or something like that, where this is 1150. So yeah, this is my new solar system. Like I said, it's all in one. It has other features like a UPS, you know, uninterrupted power supply, where if you're on a laptop on standard household current and electricity goes out, if this is being used as a UPS, it will continue to run in a like 20 milliseconds or something before your laptop realizes there's no power. I've seen several reviews online where they turned the power off and this thing kicked in. I'm going to finish unpacking everything. I'm actually going to read the manual because I don't know what all these buttons do. I hope it's got a little bit of charge in it. And then I'm going to set the solar panels up. I plan on running the cord from the solar panel up through the bottom of the seal plate and have it going so I can just plug it, plug it in as I need it, or as I, if I come in. I don't know. Now that I've seen those solar panels weren't waterproof, maybe I'll get some dedicated ones that I just like regular solar panels and leave out here, and then just take these with me on the road. I don't know. Pretty excited. Won't have to be going by as much gas, and be quiet. I can leave. Don't have to go out and midnight before I go to bed and shut the generator off and stuff. Wish I'd done this a lot sooner. I just could not make up my mind what I wanted. Now, if and when I do get a new cabin built, I may put in a typical conventional solar system to run it, but it's not going to be much bigger than this. So having everything conveniently in one package, I gotta tell you, it's pretty sweet right now. And I hadn't even used this. Just thinking, my solar chargers here, my inverters here, just everything. So let me get all this cleaned up, unpacked, figures this stuff out, bring you back when I got some kind of better sense of how all this is going to work. But I'm pretty stoked right now. So what did I pay for it? Yeah, someone's going to ask how much. $650 for this. Solar panels were, I'm not going to go look. I think they were on sale for $259 a piece. Maybe $259 or $279 a piece. So I bought two of those. Like I said, yeah, I know I could have went down to Harbor Freight or ordered some off Amazon. Conventional solar panels a lot less. I'm ordering these. Why not go ahead and get the damn things right now, so you have everything when you get here ready to go. Got a warranty for everything. I'm ready to go. I just got to figure it out now.